Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 3541. Find most frequent vowel and consonant. This is an easy one, so next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. The description is simple. We are given a string S with lowercase English letters from A to C. We need to find the vowel with the maximum frequency and the consonant with the maximum frequency, and we need to return the sum of these two values. So if we're given this example, here this is a vowel, and these are vowels also. The vowel with the maximum frequency is A with a frequency of 2, and the consonant with the maximum frequency is S with a frequency of 3. And if we sum 2 and 3, we get 5, so we return this value. Now the keyword for this problem is frequency, and if we are trying to find frequencies for characters, we can use a frequency map. In case you don't know how this works, we can iterate each character from left to right. So first we are here, and we are adding each character as a key. Given that this is empty, we first add character S, which corresponds to the current position, and the count for this character is 1. This means we have seen character S only one time at this point. Now the thing here is that we need one frequency map for consonants and another one for vowels. So this will be our frequency map for consonants. We'll have another for vowels. The next character is U, and this is a vowel. So we go to the corresponding map of vowels and we add the key U with a count of 1. Next we have a C, so we go to the map of consonants and we add C as a key with a count of 1. Now we have another C, so we update this frequency and this is now 2, meaning we have seen character C 2 times at this point. Now we are here and we have a vowel, so we add E as a key with a count of 1. Now we have an S, so we update this is now 2. Here we have another S, so we update this, and this is 3. Now we have an A, this is a vowel, so we add A as a key with a count of 1. Finally we have another A, so now the count for A's is 2. And for the final step, we need to return the sum of the maximum frequencies in these two maps, meaning 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is 5, so we return this. So this is basically the entire approach. Now let's go with the code and hopefully you will get the idea. We'll have two maps, one for vowels, this is a default dictionary with a default value of 0 for every key. That's why here we use the word int. And we have another map for consonants. So now we can iterate every character in the string, and we say if the current character is a vowel, meaning it's in A, E, I, O, U, we go to the map of vowels at the current character and we add 1. Else, meaning it's a consonant, we go to the map of consonants at x plus equal 1. And in Python we can say v.values, and here we have every frequency and we can get the maximum frequency like this. And it might be a case that this map is empty, and if so, this will throw an error. So if we want to avoid this, here we can say for an array with 0. And we need to do the same for consonants, so we add the maximum of c.values or an array with 0. And this is exactly what we want to return. So this is it for the code. Now let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.